So what's up everyone? So today I am going to make a flip book using cheap materials like sticky notes, marker, charcoal pencil or any HB pencil. I will use 2H pencil here, etc., which you can get in any shop around you, and because it is available in every shop I am using it to make my flip book. So with that I will show you that how you can make a flipbook using applications, Android applications like Alight Motion, VN, CapCut, etc. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So firstly, you open your Alight Motion application and then you will select the video which you want to convert into a flipbook. Then you will go into the export section given above in your Alight Motion application, as you can see into the video. And when you tap the export and share button, you will go and tap and select the image sequence option and choose and press the export button and then press continue. And when you press the continue option, you will get image sequences. So then you can press share and save these images into your phone, and you can arrange these images using VN Media application. For arranging these images, firstly you open your VN Media application and then you will select project and select the setting tab given above and select the time limit of 0.6 second. After doing this, the VN Media application will arrange your all images into the time interval of 0.6 second. After getting all these images from Alight Motion, you have to draw it on the paper and in the same way arrange them using VN app. Now you can use CapCut app, in which you can use overlay option and overlay the original video for giving sound in your flipbook. And after drawing all these images in the paper and arranging them using VN app, you will get your flipbook ready. So I do a comparison between the editing of VN app and CapCut here. So here is the final result.